there it is. Of course, after I weld those spring purchase on there, I'll go back through, open up the pan, clean it out real good, throw some oil in it. Well, actually, I'll probably wait on the oil until I actually get it all the way in, and then I might fill it up. But yeah, I'm gonna sand it down once I do the spring purchase and repaint it. Yeah, really excited. Next move. What is going on, guys? We're back on the channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time. It's just I had a whole bunch of stuff going on, been real busy at work and everything. Not to mention, you know, just the whole coronavirus deal going on. But I'm trying to get back to it, trying to get some good, you know, content for the channel. All right, guys, so that's the trunk lid right there. That's the wing that was on it. Took it off. But as you can see, let's flip the bad boy over. All right, so all right, so yeah, this good sized dent right here comes in right here, and it kind of bows out right there. So I got to get that nice and right before paint time. It's real dusty and dirty. I'll clean that up. Crap. I'll clean that up too, and I have to re-decal this thing once it's all nice and painted. But the idea is, like, I'm gonna have to come out. I'm gonna have to come out with this side. I'm gonna have to come in with the top just a little bit. I'm gonna try and do the best I can without. I'm gonna try and do the best I can without making any, you know, cuts or anything. But what I believe I might end up doing is, let's see, it's right here. So what I might end up doing is, let's see, cutting this part right here. Yeah, cutting from right here to like right there. I might end up cutting that out, and then just give me some room so I can actually get in there and work on it and try and hammer it out. I'm gonna try and do the best I can, just hammering it and trying to make it even. All right, guys, so had to make a run to Harbor Freight, pick up some tools, try and get this dent out of the truck lid. Hopefully it works good. We're trying them out. First time I've used these kind of tools. So, like I said, hopefully everything works good, and then I might have to come back and get some body filler to make it look real nice and in shape. But we'll see how that goes. So, see what we need to get this dent out. Let's see. You know, these ain't gonna do nothing but make me mad. I think this right here, this Maddox 7-piece would be the best thing to get. I think I'm gonna start off with that, and then if need be, I'll come back for some body filler and the spreaders. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna get. Alright, guys, Time to set up, get ready for this cutting. Alright guys, so I wiped it down good. Tried to mark a line on there with the white marker that I have right there. My lines weren't as straight as I wanted them to be, so I went ahead and got some tape and taped out where I'm going to be cutting. Just so whenever it's time to weld it back together, I don't have all these, messed up lines. They're pretty straight. It'll be a little easier on me to weld it back. I'm bolting the latch right there. So when I pull it off, it won't be still attached. Got the bolts right there. Gonna actually, let's see. So I wasn't gonna cut this whole piece out at first, but then I decided to go ahead and do it, basically because I need at least this much cut out, and I can't cut out, that much from this side because I don't want to really interfere with the latch hole right here. So instead of messing with that, I'd rather just go a little bit farther over and cut out where it's nothing there and the whole piece come out. Alright, so that'll be the next thing. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the cutting wheel, put some sleeves on, and get ready to cut. got this piece cut off. Hopefully it's not too rough putting it back on and getting it exactly where I want it to be, so it goes back on smoothly. Alright, so this is our biggest dent part right here. So we'll be, I must go ahead and start working on that, trying to get that hammered out, and then we'll go on from there. So it ended up coming out pretty good. Still got a little bit of touch-ups to do on it. But for the most part, I am definitely satisfied with what the outcome was. Definitely way better than what it was. So that's an A+. Guys, that's gonna be all for the night. It's gonna be all for this video pretty much. Next video, pretty sure I'm gonna be probably more than likely sanding it, welding it back together. There might be a little bit of stuff on the rear end, but as far as this video, that's pretty much gonna be all. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, share. And I'll continue to be posting on here all the content on my build. Once again, I definitely appreciate you guys. Peace out. Bye, doodles.